Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Nova 7i versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And S9 Plus comes with the Samsung Exynos 9810 chipset with 6GB of RAM. On the back we have a dual cameras on the back on the S9 Plus as you can see, while the Huawei Nova 7i comes with the Huawei Kirin A10 chipset which is based on 7nm architecture, and also we have a quad cameras on the back on the Huawei Nova 7i. It is very interesting to see that how much a difference between a old flagship phone from Samsung versus a new mid-range phone from Huawei. So let's find out in this video. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo camera first on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, followed by the Huawei Nova 7i. And both phones is running on Android 10. And let's see who is faster there. And you can see that the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, it is little bit faster when it comes to booting up, while the Huawei Nova 7i, now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very big display. We have a Quad HD Super AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which is a lot better than the Huawei Nova 7i, which comes with a Full HD IPS LCD display. But we have a latest design on the Huawei Nova 7i, and you can see we have a punch hole on the left hand side, looks very futuristic than the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Like always, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. That is little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, followed by the S9 Plus. The settings little bit faster on the Nova 7i again, but I really like the animation on Samsung phones as well right now with the Android 10 update, because with the Android 10 update the animation feels really smooth on Samsung phones as well as on Huawei phones as well. My files, that is little bit faster on the S9 Plus. Now let's see my clock, about the same on both phones. Now let's see the calendar, that is little bit faster on the S9 Plus again. Amazon shopping, same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and that is about the same on both phones, and you can see no difference there. Now let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Now let's check out Instagram, about the same on both phones. Snapchat, that is little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, but we don't have any Google Play services on the Huawei Nova 7i which are not supported by your device. Spotify, faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. So now let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Let's see who is faster there. And you can see Huawei Nova 7i, it is faster there, while the S9 Plus is also right behind there. Next on the list is the Subway Surfer, and let's see who is faster there this time. And again Huawei Nova 7i, it is faster with the Huawei Kirin A10 chipset, and you can see faster on the Nova 7i. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and let's see who is faster there. And this time is again faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, followed by the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and you can see very huge difference in this application. And now the S9 Plus is also done. Edge application on both phones, and that is, let's see who is faster there. And you can see Huawei Nova 7i, it is again faster there. The Twitter faster on the Nova 7i this time I believe, but I have to say S9 Plus this time is beat the Huawei Nova 7i. And last one, launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. That is faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, followed by the S9 Plus. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Huawei internet browser on the Huawei Nova 7i versus a Google Chrome on the S9 Plus, because we don't have any Samsung internet browser right out the box. Wikipedia.org, about the same on both phones, no difference there. Let's see the scrolling, in case it feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Now let's see the apple.com, next website, and that is faster again on the Huawei Nova 7i, followed by the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. I'm really impressed by the performance of the S9 Plus, because this is a flagship phone from Samsung, and the flagship, it is always better than a new mid-range phone. As you can see in the speed test as well, this phone performed very smooth, but it is not as fast as the Huawei Nova 7i in apps opening speed, but in day-to-day use this phone is handling everything fine. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. We have a 6 GB of RAM on the S9 Plus versus a 8 on the Huawei Nova 7i. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, my files, my clock. Let's see the calendar, no refresh. Let's see Amazon shopping, no refresh. Let's see Instagram, no refresh. Let's see the Snapchat, no refresh. Spotify. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga games application, and you can see no refresh on both phones. Let's see Subway Surfer. Let's see the Temper Run2, Zedge. Now let's check out the Twitter. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely a little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i with system-based application as well as in-game app loading times. RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on both these two devices. I'm really impressed by the performance of the S9 Plus after 2 years. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Nova 7i versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.